Hey, if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can make up to $670 per day without having a website. So this is going to be step-by-step mini ClickBank affiliate marketing tutorial where I will show exactly how you can make up to $673 per day without having a website. So let's dive into it. So over here you can see some of the examples from the ClickBank, and I will do the slideshow so you can see better. Okay, so you can see some of the results here with ClickBank that we are getting consistently, not only in the past, but at this moment. So how you can make huge commissions without having a website. Now, how to make up to $10,000 in a month. Now, we can do this in 3 different ways. You can have 200 sales for $50 and you make $10,000. You can have 100 sales for $100 in 30 days and you make $10,000. Go back. Or you can have 14 sales for $673 and you make $10,000. Now I know you know that if you have a ClickBank affiliate link, you need to have traffic or landing page. Now this video is about without having a website, so we won't be talking about any landing pages. Now if you want to make huge commissions with ClickBank, of course you need the paid traffic. That is free traffic, but I suggest you the paid traffic if you want to have really serious results. So I will show you here one example with clicks. If you have the buyers clicks, this means that you have paid traffic sent to you to your affiliate link. You don't need any website. You just give your affiliate link, and I will show you soon step by step how to create your affiliate link to promote Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. So let's say, for example, let's say that you have 300 clicks with 1% conversion. This means that if you have only 3 sales, you would make $2,052. Now let's take this, for example, if you have 300 clicks sent to your affiliate link with 2% conversion, this means that you have 6 sales, and in this case you make $4,104. So you can do the math by yourself. So let me show you this. How to start getting results right now at this moment. If you have no website, no experience, and you're a total beginner. So what you can do is take your ClickBank affiliate link, and I will show you soon how to do it. Step 2 is buy minimum 300 buyers clicks from Roy, and I will show you exactly on the page, and the link is below this video, how you can get super targeted buyers clicks. So this is the same like having people who have history of purchasing info products on ClickBank come to your affiliate link and buying the offer from you. Again, link will be below this video, so you can go and purchase your VIP buyers traffic. And the last step is of course getting paid affiliate commissions. So why these clicks are important? Because this is the buyers traffic and this is limited slots. So basically every click that you are getting is a buyer from ClickBank marketplace. This is also the best chance to build a super responsive buyer list, and also best option if you're promoting BZOP offers on ClickBank, for example like Super Affiliate System. And please note this is a buyers list that consists only 100% of buyers who have already been purchasing ClickBank products. So in terms of geos, those are countries like USA, New Zealand, Australia, and Canada, and some of the European countries. So let's have a look at exactly how you can create your affiliate link. So if you go to the Google Chrome, you see over here, I'm in my ClickBank account. Now you can go, for example, if you're promoting Super Affiliate System, what you can do is basically just click on the promote button over here, and you will see over here you can choose any account nickname. So what is your account nickname? When you have signed up for ClickBank, you will receive your free ID. So basically account user nickname. So you put your nickname over here. You can type in whatever your for example master23, whatever your account nickname is, and then you can have tracking ID, which is optional, and then you can choose default, direct to sales page. I would suggest you to go by default, and then you can just click on generate hop links, and after you have generated hop links, you scroll down and just copy your hop link. So basically this is your affiliate hop link, and what you can do after that is you can go to the Roy Solos page. I will have the link below this video. So basically you can order premium buyers traffic. Now be careful, over here you have to go and scroll down. You will see over here to buyers traffic. So at the bottom you will see many different clicks, premium tier 1 traffic, different traffic sources, right? Clicks. And here you have buyers traffic. So 100 buyers traffic, 100 clicks, it will cost you $150. Then you have 200 buyers traffic, and I would suggest you to start with 300 buyers traffic. The reason why is because simply if you want to have at least 1 to 3 sales and make your profits back, not only your money back, not only break even, but also making some profits, then I suggest you to purchase 300 buyers traffic, which is $450 US. This is $1.5 per click. So you can go with more. I have people buying 1,000 buyers traffic, which is $1,500, and getting really great results. Or you can go with 500 buyers traffic, which is $750, and you can have more chances of getting those conversions, which is really important if you want to get sales. So all the links for Roy's buyers traffic are going to be below this video, so you can search and go and purchase your VIP premium buyers traffic clicks. So I would suggest you, if you can afford, go with minimum 300 clicks, or if you can go with higher. For example, like 1,000 buyers traffic is also really great, but minimum 300 if you want to get at least 1 to 3 sales. This is what I would suggest, because usually it converts to really well with at least 300 clicks. So you can just do this by clicking over here. So you just click here and you can see, then you can go and complete the purchase. And what you will do then is, after that, you will just include your affiliate link, send it to Roy's team, and they will send traffic immediately to your affiliate link, and you can start generating commissions. So now if you want to get in touch with me, I will show you over here. Below this video is going to be my Facebook, WhatsApp, and also my email and Instagram, so you can get in touch with me personally. I have also done for you program, which is different than this, but it's basically with low ticket affiliate marketing using Facebook ads. You can also check some of my students' results on my YouTube channel or get in touch with me. But if you want to get results with premium buyers traffic, I suggest you click the link below this video and purchase at least 300 clicks. This way you can make sure that you will get at least 3 sales, 1 to 3 sales with this traffic. So that's all for now, and if you want to get in touch with me, please subscribe to this video, and all the links are below here. Thank you for watching.